Welcome to SelecTrader Lesson 4. In this lesson, we're going to cover the reversal. Now, you may have often heard in trading that the trend is your friend. A lot of trade strategies look for trades that happen in the trend, but the reversal trade is a very powerful trade and can get us in some very excellent moves when there is a sharp market reversal. Now, they may seem counterintuitive at first, but once you enter a few, you'll see how powerful they really are. So these will often come after a long trend in one direction or the other. First, we're going to look at a long reversal. So here you can see we have a pretty long short trend. And then eventually we're going to get to a point where the market reverses right here. Now, as with a previous trend trade, you may recognize the green dot. And this will give us a heads up that a reversal may be on the horizon. We need to see two other things as well. We need to see our blue line above the purple line, as well as this number here on the blue line being between 5 and 10. This basically tells us that there's some momentum building against the current trend. And coupled with our green dot, it gives us a stronger indication that we may be seeing a full reversal. And lastly, we need to see our super trend below -60, or below this yellow line here, or what we'd refer to as the extreme zone. And once we see these rules qualified, we'll enter either on the turn bar or the first color bar, much like our other trades. Meaning the trade can qualify on the turn bar or the first color bar as well, as long as we have our green dot on the turn bar, as these will only, on the reversal bar, as these will only stick to our white reversal bars here. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this one in action, and then we'll take a look at a short example. All right, so I just had a trend, a short qualify. So if we're in this trade, as the market continues to move short, I see my green dot trailing, letting me know that I may have a reversal on the horizon whenever this trend does end. And also notice that my blue line is getting very close to the purple line, and the number is now at 5. So if it doesn't reset back to 1, as long as this number keeps increasing, if it's no greater than 10, by the time I get a white reversal bar, I'll be in good shape. And also I see that my super trend is below 60. Is below -60, so that rule is qualified. So basically all I'm waiting for is my white reversal bar to plot and the blue line to cross the purple line. And we see that happen right on the white bar there. So I could enter at the DPI price of the white bar or the DPI price now 6282.5. And when that next bar plots, we see we catch our nice little 10-bar reversal run. Now let's take a look at a short example. All right, so here I just had a long trend set up. And as we see the market continuing to move long, broke through the high. But I do have my red dot giving me a heads up that I might see a reversal in the market. So I want to pay attention to a few things. Again, I still want to see the number on my blue line between 5 and 10. And if we reverse my super trend rule, I want to see it above 60, which it currently is. And I need to see a red dot indicating that I'm going to go short, stick to a white reversal bar. So I'm just keeping an eye on my blue line as well as these bars develop to make sure it doesn't exceed 10 or doesn't reset back to 1. And once my white bar plots, I see that the blue line does cross the purple line and is still between 5 and 10 at the number 8. So again, I could enter at the red DPI that plotted the white reversal bar, or the red DPI that will plot the next color bar. Either one is acceptable, and you can see a nice little 17-bar run there. Now that you've completed the trade tutorials, tune into the next lesson where we go over manual order entry and management, followed by a tutorial to program an ATM to follow our money management strategy.